Welcome back to part 3 of this mini-series where I demonstrate you some cool techniques for text motion. In today's video, I will show you how to create color changing text animation. So, let's get started. Let's bring in a text. I will type color changing, and I will center it. Next, I will add a custom animation. I will drag that a little to the right because I want the text to instantly appear in white color with no animation for the first second. For this title, I will select Scale, Color, and Text Spacing, and set the text animation to words. Positioning the playhead over at the end of the animation, I will set the scale at 150. I will set an orange color and spacing at 50. For easing, I will leave it as it is. I will add another custom animation. This time I will set only color. And again, I move the playhead over. I will set a white color. The other settings I will have the same as for previous animation. And let's have a look. As an exit animation for this title, I will go to motion settings and I will set a fade out animation. Let's just make this fade shorter, and adjust the time length of this title like so. And in animation settings, I will make sure to select words. And let's have a look. I will make this fade even shorter like so, and adjust one more time. And even more. I am happy with that. And this is how you make color changing in text motions. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for future tutorials of how to create amazing motion graphics, and I'll see you in the next video.